Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit two different aesthetic skies in photo on EPIK Photo Editor. So here I've already on EPIK and I already add a photo. So here, if needed, you can click on the remove here to erase unwanted object in your photo, but if not, you can just go on with the next step. So go to effects and then find sky and choose whichever sky effects that you like. For example, sunrise. You can adjust the opacity like this. Station. Okay, I like this one, and then after that you can just click on a photo, and I'm going to download this photo first. Okay, so go back and then choose the same photo and edit the same original photo but choose different sky effect. So for the before I choose sunrise, now I'm going to choose sunshine. Click on the sunshine and here is the effect, so I'm going to just use it as it is, and after that click on download again. And then go to layout, click on layout, and then choose the photo that you before. Just click on next, and then here you can choose the ratio. So in here I'm going to just use, okay, so this 2:3 ratio, and then you can just adjust the photo, the position of the photo. I'm going to drag it, oops, like this. Okay, so adjust the photo. Okay, yeah, I think it's enough. It go like this, and then click on the check icon, and last one, you can add a sticker if you want. Oops. Okay, so just download the picture first and then continue editing, and you can just add a sticker if you want. In this case I'm going to explore, and I'm going to find the stickers. So in here I'm going to use the minimal line stickers, and then I'm going to use this ones. Okay, you can adjust the size and the position like this, and after that, when you're done, just go back and download your photo. Okay guys, so that is how you can edit two different aesthetic skies in photo using EPIK Photo Editor. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.